Macedonia in English. Just about everything you want to know.
SDSM protesters get out of control in Štip. Around 50 supporters of SDSM held employees of the Pension and Health Insurance Fund in Štip locked in the premises in Štip. The SDSM supporters then went to the premises of the Ministry of Interior in Štip and tried to enter the building violently. The police officers stopped the protesters from entering the building and removed them from the entrance. The Ministry of Interior sector in Štip will take all necessary measures and authorizations so that the legal regulations are observed, reads the official announcement of the Ministry of Interior sector in Štip. According to the announcement, the protesters failed to follow the law on public assemblies and blocked the entrance of the Pension and Health Insurance Fund building, so that both employees and citizens were unable to enter or exit the building. The Ministry of Interior sector in Štip invited citizens who suffered damage during the protest to report it to the police.